Welcome to methamphetamine. Today we are going to do equations 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of x. First, we can write 4 as 2 squared to the power of x, right? Plus 2 cubed to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. Then we can use this root. A to the power of b to the power of c is equal to a to the power of c to the power of b. We can switch it. That means we can switch it. So we can write this as 2 to the power of x squared plus 2 to the power of x to the power of 3, 2 to the power of x to the power of 4. Right? Now we let u is equal to 2 to the power of x. And so we can write this as 2 squared plus u to the power of 3 is equal to u to the power of 4. And now go ahead, we can write this as u to the power of 4 minus u to the power of 3 minus u to the power of 2 is equal to 0. And that is a quadratic equation, so we can factorize u to the power of 2, u squared minus u, because we know that u squared times u is equal to u cubed, because it can write as u to the power of 1, and we can use the root u a times ub is equal to u a plus b. So the factorize is gonna be this, right? And now go ahead. U2 times minus 1 is equal to minus u2, right? So we can let u squared is equal to 0, or u squared minus u minus 1 is equal to 0, right? And then we can square root of both sides. Square root both sides, so it's gonna be plus or minus 0, so it's 0. U is equal to 0, and we know that u is equal to 2 to the power of x, so we can write this as 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. But we know that 2 to the power of x can be 0. Even 1 to the power of x can even be 0, right? And also 0 to the power of x equal to 0. We know that 0 can be any number except 0, right? X to the power of 1 is 0, x to the power of 2 is 0, 3 is 0, so x can be infinite values. So this is undefined. So we need to reject. This is a symbol of undefined. So we cancel out this solution. So we are gonna do this equation now. So use the quadratic equation formula. This A, this is B, this is C. And now we get u is equal to minus u. No, minus 1 divided by 2 times 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1. And then we will get 1 plus or minus 5 divided by 2. U is equal to this. Let me write as u is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Or u is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, right? We know that u is equal to 2 to the power of x, so we can write this as 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And then we take log by both sides. Log 2x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And then we know that we can follow the rule. Log AB is equal to B log A. Right? So that we can write this as x log 2 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Right? So x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 divided by log 2. And then we use calculator, we get x is equal to 0.694. Now, right hand side we get 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus 5 divided by 2. And then we know that log AB is equal to B log A, right? Use the root. Then start with think 1 minus square root of 5. Square root of 5 is very closer to be 2 or something, 2.3. So 1 minus 2.3 is negative. Negative divided by a positive number is a negative. But you know that log can be negative. Log negative number is undefined. So we need to reject this solution. This is undefined. Thus, our solution is x is closer to 0.694. Thank you for your watching. Stay tuned for more quality math questions.